gotta give him treats or it won't.
You gotta do it while he's shooting.
John, it's your shot.
There you go.
So what do you think, I'm new?
Will you take my next
Hide, Eva.
for me?
Sure, I haven't shot anything.
This one's for the money.
No, I shot one.
Yeah, I'm the blue ball and I'm trying to get to that wicket.
Quit moving the ball! Quit moving the ball! No, not the wicket. Get the ball, John. Oh no!
Dude, straight onto the web with that one.
Got sound on that?
I'm coming down.
Is that the slide from your slide?
I can't even see. I got tears in my eyes.
You already hit.
Is it shooting?
You already hit it. You don't get to go again. No, I have to go through it.
Oh.
You don't get to try.
Eva, come here. Eva, come here.
No, bro, you already shot. You're done. Pick yourself up. Try it again. Next turn.
Can I film him for a little bit?
Black, that's me. I'm going through it.
You didn't scale me.
Nope, me either.
Anybody been over here refereeing?